Running doesn't just burn calories, it resets your brain. And if you use it right, it can rewire your anxiety, your focus, and your confidence. In the next 8 minutes, I'm not just explaining the psychology behind running. I'm giving you a 10-minute brain reset protocol. A simple system you can repeat anytime your mind starts falling apart. Most people think stress is always bad, but your brain doesn't hate stress. It hates chaos, deadlines, notifications, overthinking. That's chaos. Running is different. It's stress you choose. And when you choose it, your nervous system shifts. Your brain starts learning. I'm safe. Here's what happens inside your brain when you run. First, endorphins, your natural painkillers. Then, dopamine, the reward chemical. And then something most people don't know: endocannabinoids. They create calm, clarity, and emotional relief. That's why running feels like therapy. Not because life got easier, but because your brain chemistry changed. Overthinking happens when your brain has too much free space. Running takes that space away. Breath, heartbeat, rhythm, posture, feet hitting the ground. Your brain can't panic about the future when it's fully in the present. That's why people say, "I don't run for my body, I run for my mind." Here's the real secret. Running doesn't just change your mood. It builds your identity. Every time you run when you don't want to, you create evidence. And confidence is not a feeling. Confidence is proof. Proof that you can show up. Proof that you can handle discomfort. Proof that you don't quit when it gets hard. Now here's the treasure. If you want running to change your life, don't chase speed. Don't chase distance. Chase consistency. Here's the 10 to 3 to 1 protocol. 10 minutes per session, 3 times a week. And one rule that makes it work. Run on your worst days. Because when you run while anxious, you teach your brain a new message. I can feel discomfort and still be in control. That's the real rewiring. Start simple. Run for 1 minute. Walk for 1 minute. Repeat for 10 minutes. No pressure, just repetition. Most people run when they feel motivated, but motivation is fragile. The strongest people run when they feel broken. One day, you'll realize you didn't become strong because life got easier. You became strong because you trained your brain to survive discomfort. And the most powerful version of you. Let me make this real. Imagine you had a stressful day. Your brain is loud. Your thoughts are jumping. You feel restless, but you don't know why. That's not your mind being weak. That's your nervous system asking for one thing, a signal of safety. And running gives it that signal. Because your body starts doing something simple, moving forward. And when your body moves forward, your brain starts believing the future is survivable. Here's the loop. Chaos creates tension. Tension creates more thoughts. More thoughts create more chaos. But running breaks the loop. It gives your brain one clear job. Breathe. Step. Breathe. Step. And when the brain has one clear job, it stops looking for danger everywhere. That's why after a run, your problems don't disappear. But your mind feels quieter, and you suddenly think, okay, I can handle this. Now, let's turn this into a real 10-minute reset you can use. Here's how you run when you don't feel like running. Minute 1, you don't chase speed, you chase rhythm. Breathe in for 2 steps. Breathe out for 2 steps. Minute 2, relax your shoulders. Drop your jaw. Unclench your hands. Minute 3, choose one sentence, just one, and repeat it. I'm safe, or I'm getting stronger, or this feeling is temporary. Minute 4 to 6, don't think about your life. Just listen. Feet, breath, heartbeat, wind. Minute 7, notice the moment your mind gets quieter. That's your nervous system resetting. Minute 8, slow down and let your body learn. I can stop, and nothing bad happens. Minute 9, a small smile, because your brain just got evidence. And minute 10, stop, not to collapse, but to realize something powerful. You can change your state. You can reset your brain. And you don't need a perfect day to do it. You just need 10 minutes. That's the treasure. And if you repeat this 3 times a week, your mind won't just feel better. It will become stronger. Before you go, I want you to remember this. Your brain has 3 signals. 1, motion means safety. 2, rhythm means control. And 3, breath means calm. That's why running works, even when nothing else does. So the next time your mind starts spiraling, don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for a perfect day. Just give your brain 10 minutes of motion. And here's a challenge. Try the 10 to 3 to 1 protocol for 2 weeks. 10 minutes, 3 times a week. And run on your worst days. Then come back to this video and comment the word reset. Because if this worked for you, I'll make the next video for your exact situation. You're not broken. You're training your brain, 1 step at a time. If this video helped you, don't let it be a one-time thing. Subscribe, because I'm building a full series like this. Simple psychology that turns into real habits. And if you want the next video to be about your situation, comment the word reset below. I read every comment. And I'll see you in the next one.